Do you want to learn English? If you want to learn English, this video for you. Today in this video, I would love to share with you some tips and tricks. If you follow the tips and tricks, that you can improve your spoken English. And I will share with you how you will progress your spoken English and how you should practice English. You know, at the very first time, all of people, those who are beginner, they are think, yes, I can do that, and one day I will be successful in my work. But after some days later, they are face a lot of trouble, frustration, depression, and they give up. Why they give up? Actually, they give up because of their shyness, nervousness, and when they are try to do something better in their life, at this moment people are making negative comment, people are laughing at look at them. That's why they cannot improve their self easily. They are facing a lot of problem. This is our first obstacle. So I want to say that very clearly, to be honestly, frankly speaking, at this moment we should never give up. We should continue our work and never look at back. We should continue our work at this moment, and day by day we will see our progressness. But if you give up, then it will be very bad for you, and it don't give you the exact result, and that's why we don't get our expectation result at the end of the day. This is our main weakness. So we have to be stronger. We have to overcome our strongness. If we don't try, then how the success will come? It can be anything. If I give the example of learning English, there are a number of people, there are a number of students, they are starting their journey. At the very first time they think, oh yes, I can do that, but after some days they give up. That's why they cannot speak English. That's why they cannot be a fluent speaker. Actually, once upon a time I was facing a lot of trouble, frustration, and I would be depressed because of my weakness. Because when I try to speak something in front of the camera, I faced a lot of problem. I can't speak English in front of the camera, and people are making negative comment behind me, and that's why I gave a lot of time. But I gave and I get up. This is the way I improve myself, and still I am learning, still I am practicing English for improving myself. So what we should do every day, we should maintain our regularity. Regularity is the key of success. If you don't maintain regularity, then you can't get. Sometimes you think, yes, I can do that, that's why you are spending 6 hours, 10 hours, or 24 hours in a day. But on the other hand, next day you don't work, so it don't give you the exact result what you want in your life. So it can be anything. It is not like that for language, and you can do anything in the world, any kind of work. You have to maintain your regularity. If you maintain regularity, then you can improve yourself very easily and spontaneously. So dear viewers, those who are watching my video, I'm highly suggest you for please maintain your regularity and try to practice. And you know, practice makes a perfect man. So don't waste your time, start your journey, and you will be successful one day.